All right, what's up, guys? This is AJ from Davis Drives. Again, JW still out of town. We rarely get time to come over here to Showroom One. This is really like an art museum more than a storage area. There's tons of stuff. You got JW's dad's two cars, and I mean a plethora. I really mean a plethora of three wheelers and four wheelers. I can tell you that this has been happening over the past few months. A lot of people wouldn't believe it because most of the time these things take months and almost years to find. I don't even know the years of half of these. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but there's so many and more to come. We have, I think, how many is Raymond bringing today? Like three or four, and I know another guy's bringing. We have like three or four more coming in that we have to fit in this bay. So eventually, some of these cars are gonna be getting moved out, and we're going to start implementing the rack system in here where you'll have some of these smaller three wheelers up on the racks like these. And I mean, just Christian, get in on this. Look at this. This one is absolutely clean. It still has all the stickers on it and everything, the proper stickers on it. But guys, like I said, I know a lot of you miss some of these things because, like I said, we don't get in here as often. JW's normally at his house with the three wheelers. But don't forget, oh yeah, don't forget about the kit car Lambo. Come check it out in person if you want. These two beautiful Demon 170s are still here. In fact, let's start one up so y'all can hear a little blip of it. Gotta close the hood on these Chryslers because they won't start if you don't. I'll put my mic down so you can hear me. It's on my head today. Yeah. So, and believe it or not, both of these vehicles are under 20 factory miles. They came literally from the factory to where they went before us. Now they're with us. So, yeah, this is mainly like pulling it out of the factory, pulling it out of your garage, loaded it on the trailer. That's where those miles came from. We still have the little, I don't even know what you would call this. I guess it's like a little golf cart, mini car. Excuse me. Little golf cart, mini car. It's electric. It has heat. Check the inside out, Christian. Do it for Dale on the back. Yep. So this one is still available for, what is it, $89,995. Check it out on our website. Again, more three-wheelers, more four-wheelers. A lot of you guys are fans of the 250Rs. We do have a little VW Dune buggy back there. We have my favorite thing in this whole showroom. This is, even though JW bought it, this is my shark. Again, JW, if you're watching this is my shark. Don't break it. Appreciate it. Thank you. Alrighty, guys. This one also gets overlooked. It's outside. It's raining right now. So we're going to breeze on past it through the window. This Foxbody is currently on our website. It is a 302 motor. Fuel is still fuel injected. It's not carbureted like most people like to switch them to. Sounds amazing. Check it out on our website. Again, be up to date on our Instagram as well, Facebook, TikTok, of course, YouTube. And for now, we're going to cut this clip and we're going to meet you back a little bit later. We're going to add a little bit more to this video. See you in a second. All right, guys. So for all you square body lovers, I know you really don't care about anything else we post normally, but Christian, spin around. Here's your fix. Yes, we're gonna give y'all a little bump today. Probably shouldn't have said it on YouTube, but we're gonna keep it rolling. So we got our current lineup of stepsides. Got the brown one, beautiful truck. This blue one that a lot of you saw actually at the Jamboree in Pennsylvania. This black one recently came in, and this is all factory, everything factory AC, and in this truck, the factory radio does work. We have an older style build it's absolutely nuts. Christian, let's get in on this real quick so you can see up underneath how clean this truck is. It's absolutely beautiful. Has a very big motor in it, big block, and sounds amazing. We do got to make a video about the auction nightmare truck that will be coming soon once JW gets back. As you know, he's finally taking a vacation and relaxing. Well, he says he's relaxing, but he's currently still texting all of us. But that's okay. We still love you. Cool. Got the old Sheriff Blazer. This LS Blazer, this is one of my personal favorites. I think we can all say that. Christian, have you driven this one? All right, Christian's driven this one. It's got the crossover steering, track bar, Fox shocks, LS motor on a Super Swamper, and the AC. Oh, let me not bust my tail. This is dangerous. Um, the AC does work. I want to give a quick shout out to Squarebody Nation. Oh, Syndicate. Not sorry. Don't get mad. Syndicate. They sent us some air fresheners and a bunch of license plates. We've been using them, and this actually smells really good. And it's leather. It smells really good. AC does. This is an AC truck. So also has the Davis off-road steps. Oh, let's get that one, Christian. They missed that. Might have missed that part. Davis off-road steps. I'm shutting the door correctly this time so it doesn't stay halfway open. We still have the Grandpa Special here, guys. And I thought this truck would be gone by now. But this is, again, AC, heat, extremely clean truck. You even look up underneath. It's very clean, very original. Whoever owned this truck before did not, I mean, what do you think they put back here? Like nothing? I don't think they put anything back here. This bed is extremely clean. Box in the back, gun rack in the back for you guys who like to go hunting. I don't think you guys would take this truck hunting. I know it's a black vehicle and it gets scratched very easily. It is a 4-speed truck. We have the topless Blazer K5. It currently does not have the passenger seat in, but we're getting that seat fixed and getting it in. It's a very clean truck. A lot of you guys haven't seen it for a while because it's been on our top rack in our triple stack room. The all-white Suburban. This one is also still ready to go. Clean AC truck. Fires on a dime. Rides pretty good. It has that old school, I guess you call that like a steel wheel look with the beauty rings around it. Of course, we have the red and gray. Extremely great sound in square body. This one was sold. It came back, and the guy wanted to switch it up for another truck. He wanted a long bed. The black one, we don't get to this much. This is another old school build. Very, very, very clean up underneath. Get that, Christian. Get that right there. It does have the blue and purple accents. Still available. The Suburban. You guys have seen this. We love this. We drive this a crap ton. I don't know. Is it unlocked? Nope, it's not unlocked. All right, so we drive this a bunch. It runs good. It rides out great. The only thing with this one, it is a 2-wheel drive truck. So another 2-wheel drive Blazer. This one, you guys might haven't seen this. Only Chevys. Oh, maybe we should subscribe. What do you think? This one we got from a local customer. We've been dealing with him for years. Good family friend. This truck is on bags and US mags. That rhymes. I did not mean to do that. But again, look at it. Let's look at the stance of this thing. It's absolutely nasty. So yeah, we brought it in here and dropped it on its you know what as soon as we put it in the showroom. The blue square body right here. A lot of you guys have seen this in multiple videos. We took the spool out. It drives 155,000% better without the spool in it because you know you make a turn and you go making all the turns, of course. So this one is still available as well. Again, all of these are on our website. Check it out, Davis 4x4, davisautosales.com. All right, then we have Brown Bear right here. This one, we're currently keeping this one out the weather. I need to take it to go get serviced and inspected. I don't even think this truck still hasn't been cleaned since it went to Pennsylvania. And I mean, look at it and it still looks good. Like, I'm almost 1,000% sure it hasn't been cleaned since we went to Pennsylvania. And then we have the sold fuel-injected long bed square body next to Grimace with a 4-wheeler in the back that's matching Grimace. And, of course, you guys' favorite, the Tendoor. That's about it for here. We're going to wrap this video up. I'll see you guys next time. We're going to bring you some more shorts and reels today. Christian's going to be posted on Instagram. I'm going to be on TikTok. And how does he say it? Catch you. All right, guys, or how's it go? I don't know, but have a good one. Again, I'm AJ, Christian behind the camera. JW, enjoy your vacation. We got it handled. Later.